Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am here to film another plan with me. That seems to be my weekly video, and I'm quite proud that I am continuing with this and starting the year off strong. So this is the week of January 22nd to 27th. Today is the 24th. It is currently 9:15. Can you guys see my watch? 9:15 in the evening. And it's been a long day, and like planning is my way to like relax. So I did want to film it, but I don't want to talk through it. So I have this printable kit that is from Print Petticoat Bandit. This is what the sheets like look like prior to printing them, but for some reason my silhouettes in this black bar did not get along and they would not cut properly. So I had to like get rid of the logo on all of the sheets, but they are from Print Petticoat Bandit. Then I did foil them with silver foil. This gets like very springtime, but it's pink and gray, floral, some of my favorites. There's tons of sheets. I didn't even print all the sheets. Super good deal. This super pretty foily sheet with the icons and some bow headers. I don't know if I'll use those, but we will see. So I am just going to film this. I probably will do like a sped up talk through, which you'll continue on to see in the next few minutes, but I'm not planning it live, but I do hope you like it. Leave me questions down below if you have any, and I'll try to answer them in my next plan with me. And yeah, I'm just gonna get started, listen to some country music, and just have a chill night and then go to sleep because I'm tired. And tomorrow's Friday, so I will talk to you all soon. Alright, so it is the next day and I am doing my voiceover portion now. So relaxing to just like plan everything out, and I really love how this spread turned out. I started off by putting the bottom washi and the full box up at the top. That quote says, "Work hard, dream big," and I did use silver foil, which you will be able to see throughout the spread as it kind of like hits the light. So I did decide to use the bow headers because I'd never used bow headers before, and I think they are super pretty. And they really complement the girly and floral aspects of this kit. And I have also realized I'd never used a photo kit before, so there's a lot of firsts in this kit for me, and I really do like it. Printables are a new thing for me. I started a couple weeks ago, like before Christmas, I started using printables, and I do really love using printables. It's like instant gratification. I already have all the supplies and the machines to print, cut, and foil stickers, so I just go ahead and do that and support some printable shops. Let me know what you think about printables down below, and let me know if that's something you want me to offer. No commitment there, but we'll see, because I do really love printables, and it is nice as a cheaper alternative to instead of buying a full kit every week. So I am doing my normal glitter headers and full boxes. I don't know what to call this. It's an issue, really. I don't know how to get my glitter headers at the bottom row completely on the same, like equal, like on the same spot without overlapping a full box. So I have to put my full boxes down first, and then I just kind of figure out where the glitter headers need to go. There's got to be something that I'm doing wrong or a way to get this to like work out perfectly, other than having the full box hanging off the bottom. I'm not really sure what the solution is, but if you have a solution for me, please let me know. And I don't know if I mentioned already, I am 100% wearing pajamas. Did I say that? Probably. So then I decided to work on my sidebar. I don't normally use my sidebar that much, but I do just fill in the space, and there was some really pretty foiled sidebar stickers that I wanted to use. So I did use some of the bow headers as well as regular script headers to fill in the space. I do use the sidebar for my dinners. I don't typically need a habit tracker, but it does kind of cue me to take my vitamins, but I have been pretty good about that recently. And yeah, I just used bow headers to fill in the space. Then on Monday, I was having some issues trying to remember what I actually did Monday morning. So I just put a to-do list because I did still have my to-do list and I know what I needed to do. And then in the afternoon, I put a half box and an icon with a car because I had to drive to my parents' house. I had a dentist appointment in my hometown on Tuesday morning at 8 o'clock, so it was much easier to drive to my parents' house that night and sleep there and then head to the appointment. I also had a meeting on Tuesday that was like also out of town in a totally different direction, but it saved me from doing like a lot of driving in the same day. So then I put down a label with a little meal sticker. That was for a disaster that I had with my Instant Pot. We made some pasta, like spaghetti and meatballs, and I've used spaghetti and meatballs in my Instant Pot before, but this was more like spaghetti and meatball soup, and it was definitely not supposed to be soup. I just don't know why it was so liquidy. Then I put a munchkin and a smaller label down for $2 Tuesday, since I've been doing $2 Tuesday recently and you guys are loving it. So I put a half box or a quarter box with the foil sticker from the kit for my dentist appointment. And then I put a little label with a bow for the meeting I had, or maybe that was to drive to the meeting, which was about another hour and a half away from my parents' house. And then I pulled out a foil script sticker that says Starbucks Run from my shop. That was a $2 Tuesday item 2 weeks ago, but I am doing foil scripts every $2 Tuesday. I then put those really cute, like 3 bow checklists down. There's so many of them offered in the kit, and I do really love them. And then I was trying to figure out what would fit in this space, so I settled on this quarter box glitter strip and this bow header. And that glitter box is going to be for the meeting I went to, and it was a focus group I was involved in for work. So that was my Tuesday. I basically drove for 6 hours, and then on Monday night I drove for another hour, so like 7 hours of driving by Tuesday, which was not really that fun. Wednesday morning, I had a staff meeting at work. In case you don't know, I mention this all the time, but I do work full-time at a financial institution as well as running my shop. And then that did cue me to put down what I did Monday morning, which was a huge thing because I had filled over 70 orders on the weekend and I needed to get those to the post office. So after the staff meeting on Wednesday, I did have an appointment. I had a massage at the end of the day. We had super bad weather, so I hummed and hawed if I was going to cancel that appointment because I had to drive on a strip of road. Some more driving. That was clearly the motto of the week. I drive on a strip of road that isn't the best in snowy situations, but it ended up pouring rain for most of the day, and it was fine to drive. So I did go to my massage. I also put down this remember label with a half box and a DSLR sticker from my shop, murdochtalks.com, for an Instagram feature thing that I took pictures for work downtown, and it was super nice. And then I also spent the night working in my office with that desk sticker that was included in the kit. Moving on to Thursday, I put down a quarter box with a bow icon, I believe. Let's see what I picked. This is funny to watch. I did put a bow icon and then another label underneath it. And then I had a quarter box with another one of my foil script stickers from this week's $2 Tuesday, which was Netflix and chill. We basically did just that. Colin and I were watching Netflix and we finished watching You, and we've watched Adrift this week. So we've watched quite a few things because it's winter and you can't really go out and it's just been bitterly cold. So I did get that script sticker. I don't know what was taking me so long. There we go, to put that in the quarter box, and they fit perfectly and they look so cute. So those are available in my shop. Then I also put a label down for popcorn because Colin and I definitely had popcorn for Netflix and chill. And then I put down a few more stickers for Thursday. That was for filming the YouTube video that you are watching now. And then I also tried to find another sticker to fill up that space because all I really did was plan. And there was a super cute planner in the kit that I wanted to use. So I used this glitter strip and then this large planner sticker. And then I pulled out these Me Time scripts, which was included in the 12 days of stickers that I did. So those aren't released, but something similar is coming. Moving on to Friday. I met my team this morning. Today is Friday as I'm doing this voiceover at a coffee shop. I had a coffee meeting with a community development leader in the town I live in. So I put that there. And then we also were taking some more pictures downtown for the Instagram page we manage. So there's another DSLR sticker and then this little scallop glitter strip just to fill in the space. And then I also made put a priorities header with a little checklist because I have a lot of things to do between now and tomorrow because we're having some friends over which will be super awesome. So there I put the weekend banner down. My camera had stopped filming at that point, so that's why it jumped quite a bit. But I put this little cleaning label, and I was going to use that really cute icon, but I ripped it as I was trying to get it off the sheet, so I gave up on that. And then I put down a piece of washi with another one of my foil scripts from $2 Tuesday that says morning coffee. That is the favorite part, my favorite part of the weekend. So I put that down, and it's super silver oily, and I'm loving how this spread is turning out. Then I am having friends over, like I mentioned, so I put down a little icon for meals eventually, I think I do, and then that box is for them coming over. We are going to an escape room, and then we're coming back to our house for some appetizers and drinks and play some board games and stuff like that. So I just ended up filling in this space with a little date night because it's 3 couples that are hanging out, which will be super fun, and there's the icon that I finally put down. Moving on to Sunday, I wanted to use this super cute sleep-in pillow kind of thing, so that I'm going to mark sleeping in on Sunday because it's probably going to be a late night on Saturday. Then I use another one of those scripts that aren't released for groceries, which I will have to order and pick up on the weekend, which is fun. I put a create sticker down for the new releases and some work I'm going to do in my office, and then a little one of these silhouettes from my shop for all the printing and cutting that I have to do. So that was basically the week. I did use the date covers, which were a little bit off-cut, but you can't really tell. I don't normally use date covers, which is different for me, but there wasn't any deco, so I did want to like spice up the top a little bit, if you know what I mean. As you can see, the 27 just fell off, and I looked everywhere and could not find it. I've watched this in slow motion to figure out where it went. Still don't know, so on Sunday there is just no date dot because 27 jumped off the sheet and I don't know where it went. Then I wanted to add a little bit more to the top, and there was these really cute, I think I was looking for 27, but I couldn't find it, but that really cute section of like dots that took forever to place. I hope you can actually see what I'm doing. There we go. But I just used my tweezers, which I linked down below in my last plan with me. I got them from Amazon, and I just put down all these different cut circles and ovals. I'm sorry you can see my head. I don't know how I can not get my head in my frame. I'll have to work on that, but I've got the lighting down. It's nice and white and bright, but my head just keeps getting in the way. So I just put dots down across the top to finish off the spread, and I had to cut them since they were overhanging, and I haven't even written in last week, but I will do that. Sometimes I just hate writing in my planner because I think my writing ruins the spread. Does anyone else feel that way? I also feel like I've been talking a mile a minute for the past 12 minutes, so I do apologize if I am rambling like crazy. I will just let you guys finish watching the rest of this plan with me, and I hope you guys liked it. Thank you for letting me plan and having a relaxing planning session. What am I saying? I hope you are okay with the voiceover and sped up plan with me, I guess is what I'm trying to say. I do really love how this spread turned out. I'll have the kit linked below, as well as my tweezers and links to my shop, murdochtalks.com. And like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, if you wanted to ask me any questions, I will answer them in my next regular plan with me. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have a great week, and I will talk to you all soon. Bye!